Hi everyone, we are back with another Weaver Leather Supply flash sale. We have got 3 more amazing items for you guys this week that are going to be 15% off for that 1 week only. You'll just want to use the promo code flash sale when you do check out online to take advantage of the discount. And you have got some colorful things happening on that end today.
I do. So today, or this week, we've got our suede on sale. So as you can tell, it comes in some really beautiful and vibrant colors. These are just a few. I think there's like 21 colors total. Might be more by now. But these are suede splits, so they're nice and soft. They're super clean. You honestly can barely tell which is the front and the back on these. And if you need any project inspiration, these are one of Chuck's most favorite leathers, and he has a ton of videos on our YouTube channel that will show you what you can make with these. They make really beautiful inlays, very beautiful liners, anything like that where you need some nice bright colors, and then you can use it for more traditional stuff like chaps or saddle seats and stuff like that.
Absolutely wonderful. All right, so I have our leather die markers. So these are going to come in a variety of colors. We've got a bunch of different options to choose from. Now, the nice thing about these is they are what they say. They are markers with leather dye in them. The nice thing about it is if you're going to do any kind of coloring, you need any control, they're going to have a double tip, so that it has the fine point tip, and then it also has the brush tip. So it's going to give you some versatility in using these. And I will say, if you have small children and you want to get them involved in leather crafting, this is perfect to use for them. You can give them a nice piece of veg tan and let them just decorate, color, whatever they want. They are perfect to use for that, and adults as well if you're just looking to add a little bit of pop of color to your projects. And like I said, we do have them in many different color varieties. So should be something for all of your projects.
Absolutely. All right, and then last we have the Leather Remnants Project Pack. So this has a lot of stuff in it. We're gonna unpack it so you can see what all is in here. Chuck has a video on this so you can get some project inspiration, but it comes with a mini punch set. So it's a handle with 6 different sizes of punches. They just screw into the handle so you can interchange them very easily. Comes with a line 20 snap setter, as well as the snaps to go with that. Comes with a small tube of barge glue, so you can use it to glue the leather pieces together. An art knife, so you can use that to cut your leather. And then we also have a pack of brass double cap rivets. You have 2 trigger snaps, swivel trigger snaps. We've got jump rings and the pieces to make earrings with the kit. You have a scratch awl, so you can use that to mark down your patterns or trace out your patterns on the leather. And then you have a little baggie of some key rings and some square loops. And then last but certainly not least, you have a leather remnant pack. So this is going to be vary from one kit to the other, but it's going to be some lighter weight chrome tan leathers in different colors. So it's great for a wide variety of projects.
It's a perfect kit for somebody just starting out and wanting to get their feet wet in leather work as well.
Yeah, so you get some tools that you'll obviously be able to use for future projects as well. So it's a good investment.
All right, guys, so if you want to pick up any of these items, you have 1 week to do it at that special 15% off discount price. Just use the promo code FLASHSALE when you check out online, and we will see you back next week with more fantastic items.